Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Uniswap. Over the last 1 month, Uniswap have made big gains to the upside. Over the last 1 month, we've seen Uniswap pump up by around 41%, which is good news. But deep down in the bear market, the currency market of altcoins are down bad. But Uniswap is one of the shining lights we've seen around the market. Uniswap on a weekly time frame is up 11.1%. Uniswap on a monthly time frame is up a whopping 41%. Even on a yearly time frame, Uniswap is still down bad by 59.6%. Look at Uniswap's performance against the US dollar, currently trading around the $3.68 level. So Uniswap getting to an all-time low in this bear market for around $2.2. It's a good time to be accumulating Uniswap. How low can Uniswap possibly go? How high can we pump when the bull market comes back? Is the bull market ever going to come back? Talk about altcoin season, how that will affect the price of Uniswap. Look at Uniswap's market cap, sentiment in the currency market, and Uniswap's performance against Bitcoin and Ethereum. Is it going to be advisable to buy Bitcoin right now or to buy Uniswap? It's going to be advisable to accumulate Ethereum right now or accumulate Uniswap. Talk about that on this video. Let's get down to business. So some key details about Uniswap before we go into the new video, guys. Market cap for Uniswap sits at $2.3 billion. Uniswap's fully market cap sits at $3.28 billion. Uniswap has a 24-hour trading volume of around $180 million. Where can you get Uniswap? To get some, you get the token on Binance, Uniswap itself, Coinbase Exchange, Upbit, OKX, and Bybit, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins, you can get some Uniswap right there. Uniswap is a popular decentralized trading protocol known for its role in facilitating automated trading of decentralized finance tokens. Over the last 1 month, Uniswap rallied up by 41%, which is good news. But guys, that's not the whole story. Uniswap has been on a downtrend since 2021. Uniswap has been on a downtrend since getting to all-time highs in April of 2021. We've seen Uniswap since that all-time high dumped by more than 94%, which is very normal in the currency market. If you have been here for more than one cycle, you know that all coins can be very volatile in both directions. Yes, they can pump to the moon. Yes, they can give you outrageous return. But then the inverse is also true. They can dump to goblin town, and if you buy the top and you sell the bottom, you will lose a huge amount of money. So Uniswap going from as low as $1.8, getting to an all-time high of around $45 to $50 in 2021, and all this pump just happened in 182 days, more than a 2,300% to the upside. But since then, Uniswap has not had any sustainable rally to the upside. It's been dumped down to Goblin Town. Yes, we had some relief rallies along the way. So Uniswap dumping in 2022 by 92%. It felt like that was the bottom, dumped by 92% into June of 2022. Then we had a relief rally where Uniswap went up by 159%, retraced some of those gains back, rallied up by 350%, retraced some of those gains back. And by November of 2024, when Uniswap was up 400% from the 2022 bottom, it felt like that was the time to buy Uniswap. It felt like that was the time to go all in. But Uniswap was hitting a very critical resistance level. And since then, we have not traded for as high as that price in November of 2024. The price then was $19. Since November of 2024, we've seen Uniswap decline from as high as $19 down to as low as $2.3 right now. That's made some recovery. We're seeing Uniswap trading around the $3.6 level. It's still down 81% from the November 2024 high. Which begs $1,000,000 question. How low can we go? Are we still in the bear market? Are we going to continue dumping to Goblin Town? There is a very strong support level for Uniswap around the $1.7 level. So Uniswap getting there in November of 2020. That's where we got the bounce straight to all-time highs. A lot of market participants believe we're going to go towards that $1.8 level from where Uniswap is currently trading right now. If that's going to happen, it means we're going to see Uniswap still decline by 50%, which most market participants believe will happen. But I stand on the other side of the argument. I believe we've already dumped enough down to Goblin Town. I believe Uniswap is due a big pump to the upside, and I believe buying when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market has always been a good decision. I don't think this time is different. The mantra is to buy when there's extreme fear in the market, to sell when extreme greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market, buy when there's extreme fear, buy when the prices are low, and buy when the vibes are down. I believe these conditions are met right now. The prices are low, the extreme in the cryptocurrency market, the vibes are down. But one shining light we have seen, one shining light that's heading us towards the right direction is the RSI, the technical indicators. We're seeing Uniswap RSI shows a bullish divergence right here, even though the price is going to a lower, even though we're seeing lower prices, the RSI is failing to set lower values. And as Uniswap has started pumping to higher values, I'll watch that RSI very, very closely on the weekly time frame. The next few weeks are going to be very, very interesting for Uniswap and other altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. I believe we can see a rally towards the $4.8 level. We might find some resistance there, but smart players are buying. And when smart players start buying, eventually it's going to lead to a big, big pump to the upside. We're going to get alt season. I believe alt season is still going to come. I know alt season is looking like a foreign concept right now in the cryptocurrency market. We've been in a downtrend for more than 9 months right now. For some coins like Uniswap, I've been in a downtrend since November of 2024. So talking about alt season just feels like fantasy thinking. But guys, always believe if there's a bear market at some point in time in the future, a bull market is going to come around. And right now, we're deep in the bear markets. If you don't know what alt season is, guys, alt season is when all coins outperform Bitcoin, when more than 75% of the top 50 coins are doing better than Bitcoin. And when that happens, I believe Uniswap is going to be one of those altcoins to benefit from the process. We've seen Uniswap have its own time in the sun. We've seen Uniswap have its own time in Goblin Town. And I believe in the future, it's going to have its own time in the sun again. Now, if you look at Uniswap performance against Bitcoin, down straight to Goblin Town since when the top came in for it in May of 2021. We've seen Uniswap decline value against Bitcoin, losing 95% of its value in more than 1,848 days. But remember, guys, all bad things come to an end, the way all good things come to an end. If we see the end of the bull market, we surely see the end of the bear market. And if we see the end of the bear market, what happens after that? The start of another bull market. Early signs are there. We're seeing Uniswap outperform Bitcoin over the last few weeks, even though it's nothing to write home about. Uniswap is up 55% against Bitcoin over the last few weeks. Against Ethereum, similar price action. It's been dumping down to Goblin Town, setting new lows after new lows. But as the RSI has started showing some positive signs, I'm not be shocked to see huge, huge pumps coming the next few days and the next few weeks, maybe the next few months. Against Ethereum, Uniswap is up 38% over the last 91 days. And if you look at Uniswap's market cap, which is around the $2.3 billion level. Funny enough, Uniswap is still one of the biggest altcoins we have in the cryptocurrency market. We have other altcoins that are down to hundreds of $1 million, maybe tens of $1 million. But Uniswap's market cap, which got to as high as $22 billion, Uniswap shaded more than 90% of its market cap value. And it still has a market cap value of over $1 billion. The lowest Uniswap's market cap got to was around the $1.5 billion level. Right now, we're back to $2.3 billion. We saw it topping around the $11 billion level in November 2024. For us to return back to that November 2024 price, we need to see Uniswap's market cap pump by around 388%, which in the cryptocurrency market can happen very, very quickly. Look at what happened for Uniswap in 2021 when the bull market came. Uniswap's market cap was as low as $258 million. When the bull market came in 182 days, Uniswap's market cap rallied back straight up to all-time highs, going to as high as $22.2 billion. The market cap had over 8,500% increase in 210 days. So crazy things can still happen. You just have to be patient. Drop your thoughts in the cryptocurrency market. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. How bullish are you on the cryptocurrency market? Are you expecting Uniswap to continue dumping to Goblin Town? Are you still buying some Uniswap, adding to your portfolio? Or have you given up on these altcoins? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.